Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. Welcome back to this wonderful Sunday morning. I have a warning, I have an alert for you guys because, we cannot pump forever. What you can see is that Ethereum becomes bearish. We're heading to crazy resistance. We came for sell side liquidity. Liquidity is grabbed, and you can literally see now that we're making a reversal, right? Dominance shoots to the moon. BTC shoots to the moon. So what you actually see is that the whale's taking profits on Ethereum and the money flows back in Bitcoin, right? That doesn't mean that we go to zero. That means that we need a healthy retracement to create a discount for the whales to jump back in again so they can make double money. Actually, it's unfair, I know, but that's how they do it. So I took a short position myself now at the moment, and I posted this setup also on my X profile. Follow me on X, stay updated. If you want to learn trading, if you want to level up your trading, go to the link in the description, join the Crypto Gainers Discord. So guys, quick update on Ethereum today, and remember, it's Sunday, we have a weekly closeout, so you can expect some madness today in case of liquidations. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at Ethereum to USDT, right? And what you literally see is that we came for weekly resistance and sell side liquidity. If you zoom out here, you can see on the, where was it? On the 3-day chart, or on the weekly, on the weekly it was, is that you have this compression candle between two swing lows, right? That means that there is a sort of possible pull for liquidity. So I was aiming for this resistance level here, and you can literally see that we came for this resistance level liquidity, and now we're going down, right? If you go to the 50-minute, you can literally see that we're becoming bearish now, right? So what I'm expecting for Ethereum, is to come down all the way, grab liquidity on the daily time frame, to come to the 618, to fill up all these gaps. There's a lot of fair value gaps because of this crazy liquidity that came in. Price shoots up, so there's no there was no demand actually, so I needed to think about it. But the thing is, now expect downside for Ethereum. What you can see is that dominance shoots to the moon because people and whales taking profits on Ethereum, money flows back into Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin goes up. So it doesn't matter if you're long on Ethereum or long on Bitcoin, your profits from Ethereum will go down, but your profits from BTC will go up. That's a little bit the thing, don't be scared. It's all healthy, and it doesn't mean that this is the end. See it as an opportunity. The thing is also, I learn my students to become excited when you see red candles, because it gives us an opportunity to jump in, right? If you want to follow my trades, join the Crypto Gainers in Discord, where I post daily setups with long positions, and in this case a short position. The suggestion is not to go short in a bull market, but I see my model playing out on Ethereum now, and if I see something, I will take it, right? So guys, quick update on Ethereum. I don't have so much to say now for this moment. Just wait for the weekly closeout during New York time today. So expect a volatile price action. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. I wish you all a very, very, very nice Sunday. Stay tuned, because I will post more videos, more setups. Follow me on X. Join the Discord, Crypto Gainers. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.